Students, good morning everyone. Those joining us, I want you to understand that this is another day for us to encounter mathematics. What I want you to do for me is to press the like button, share, and refer this channel to some people that you know that will value it. Education is worth sharing. Okay, today we would like to move on an edge of knowing what approximation and estimation is all about. Yes, in mathematics, approximation and estimation is almost what we do. Even as I'm speaking, you can even hear the approximation in my mouth, almost. So approximation is what we always use in all our daily activities. Okay, now what is approximation all about? Approximation is just a rounding of a number that is in fractions or in little quantities into a whole or bigger quantity. Now, estimation can also be regarded as approximation, but estimation is only quoting the bigger round figure of what you approximated. Estimation is only quoting the bigger round figure of what you approximated. Okay, now I just introduced approximation and estimation with their definitions. Let's use an example. We have 26216. This is a number that if you look at it in their place value, this is units, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, and this is 10,000. Now we have 26,216. That's the number here. 26,216. Now, if I want to approximate it to the nearest whole 100, we can approximate it to the nearest tenth, to the nearest 100, to the nearest 10,000, or to the nearest 10,000. Okay, let's approximate it to the nearest 100. We have it to be 6 and 1. Now, any number that is more than 5, what we do with approximate it to 10. That is where the approximation. We call it 10. We don't just assume that it's 10. It's already 10 because it's more than 5. From 5 up, we assume it's already 10. Then we call it 0, and we push 1 to this one, and this one turns to 2. So I have 2, 6, 2, 20. So I have 2, 6, 2, 20 in hundreds, in tens rather. In hundreds, we have 2 here. It's not up to 5. Since 2 is not up to 5, it will automatically leave it to be 0, and this one there will be nothing added to it. We'll just leave it like that. So I have 2, 6, 200. Listen attentively so that you know that make mistake. Any number that is from 5 and above, we approximate it to 10. When you do that, you just leave your 0 and you add 1 to the next number, if that number is up to 5. But if that number is lower than 5, just call it 0 because it cannot equal, we can't equate it to 10. Good. Alright. Moreover, this is 100. We have 26,200. It's now in 100. Now in 1000, we have, since it is 2 that is in the hundreds, we have 26,000 in approximation. 26,000 in approximation. Now if it wants to be in 10,000, we have 6 is above 5. We have 30,000. If I may say, you understand that this is for 1,000 and this is for 10,000. You understand that we have moved from 100 to 1,000 to 10,000. We have approximated from 100 to 1,000 to 10,000. That's how approximation is like. We are going to make sure that any number that is 5, we approximate it. Okay, let's take another example. We have 65110266. Now, first of all, let's check the place value. We have units, we have tens, we have hundreds, we have thousand, 10,000, and we have 100,000. I have million. I have let's say tens of millions. Now let's look at this number. We have 6620156 on the other side of the line. Now we have this last 6 to be in units. You have to be in tens. You have to be in 100. You have to be in tens of in thousands. You have to be in tens of thousands. You have to be in hundreds of thousands, and you have to be in millions. Now you have to be tens of millions, hundreds of millions. If we have other numbers, going. All right. So without wasting much of our time, let's just focus on what we have here and push down to approximation. Now we want to approximate this number, and we want to get it in millions. We want to approximate this number to million. So we count the number of numbers that are there. Million is known to have 6 numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are expected to have 65 million. But we are not sure it's going to be 65 million because we still have numbers here that we are going to approximate. Let's see if the number is up to 66 million or is it 65 million. Now we have 6 here, and 6 is more than 5. So we round it up to 10 and we'll have 0. Now we put 1 here, the one that is from the 10 that we approximated here. We put it here and it turns to 7. Now 7 is more than 5. We round it up to the same 0. We put our 10 rather. We put our 0 here and put 1. And now this one is now 3. This one is 3. Automatically it is not up to 5. Now this one will carry 0. This one now will carry 0. This one now carry 0. This one carry 0. Now we have 6500000. So I have 65 million. That's the roundup for this. Now if we have greater numbers, like let's see what we have greater numbers like 6, 5, 6, 8, 8, 4, 5, 5. Okay, let's have this number now. Well, now what do we do? Now we have that. We want to change it today. We want to approximate it to millions. So let's count the number of zeros that makes millions. Say 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're expected to have like 65 million. But let's be confirmed if we are going to have 65 million. Now we have 5, which is 5. Now we round it up to 9 and we push it to here. Now this one now turns to 0. Now here now 5 plus 1 makes it 6. 6 is more than 5. Now we approximate it to what? 0 or 10 and push the 1 to here also. Now 4 plus 1 will be 5. 5. Now 5 we approximate it to 10 and we add our 0 and push the next one to here. 8 plus 1 9. 9 is more than 5. We approximate it to 10 and put our 0 here and put 1 to the next one. 8 plus 1 9. We approximate it to 10 and put the 0 and push it. Then this one comes here and it turns to 7. Now 7 is more than 5. Now we calculate it as 10 and put 1 to the next one. So this 5 will now turn to 6. So I have 6 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 66 million naira. 66 million. I believe you are following up. Okay, let us talk about rounding off numbers to 2, 3, 4 significant figures.